quickly show you how to make a stair tread out of reclaimed flooring. So just have a look down here. Got an old stair tread here that's been cut off. We can't really replace. We're gonna have to replace the whole tread, but you're gonna have a hard time finding this. This is usually 1 inch thick, and hardwood flooring is 3/4 of an inch thick. So we're gonna show you how it's done. So what we want to do here is we set the blade to a 45-degree bevel, and we're gonna rip this off like this. We're gonna create a little bevel right there. Okay, so now we want to make the nosing. We're going to make it 1.5 inches. The rest of the stair treads are 1 inch, but we've got a little notch to cover up. So we're going to cheat it down a little bit and make it look like it's 1.5 inches. So mark that here. This is here. So we're going to glue them together like this. A little bead along here. Thanks for the tape. So we want this to be tight right here. Let it sit for a couple hours. So now we've taken 3 of these boards here. We've clamped them, glued them, put some glue along the tongue of the groove. There's some clamps here. Pull the pressure going this way. And this here is called strongbow. So that'll keep it so it doesn't fold up. So now we just want to make this look like a nosing. So we're going to run it through rotor with a round over bit. So this is how she goes. So here is the final result. Absolutely gorgeous. So we got 80 years of patina and history to it. And here's the stair tread that we manufactured. Blends absolutely perfectly.